This video is intended to be viewed by adult toy collectors and may contain questionable content and language. Viewer discretion is recommended. I make these videos for your enjoyment as well as my own. Greetings and thank you for watching. This is Quentin-Rom taking a look at my newly acquired model kit of G1 Megatron. Found at Hobby Lobby. And I'm gonna unwrap this thing, open up the box, see what's inside, and not gonna put it together in this video. That'll be a separate video. We're just gonna like to see what's in the box. Take a look at the stuff outside the box. Got a bunch of little goodies. Got some names and stuff on this all around the sides. Got some nice artwork. And let's see what's going to be in here. Got a bunch of writing. Some nice product sets. And some of the poses that it can do. Over 40 movable joints. A little diagram of different sheets of plastic parts and things. And when I'm doing model kits, I got my little saw in case I need to cut something. Got a little emery board because I may have to get a new one. And I got my little X-Acto knife. I got a nice little supply of extra blades if I need it. And instead of using super glue, I use this micro weld liquid cement. Works very good. Doesn't leave much of a mess. And I just got a brand new pair of snippers. Guess my other ones are getting kind of worn out. Let's see what's inside now. Alright, looks like we got a nice little booklet. Assembly instructions manual. Ferrari model. Flame toys. Hasbro Megatron. Got some nice little poses there. Brief little instructions on how to remove the parts. I've done quite a few model kits in the past, but it's the first time doing an actual Transformers robot model kit. Got lots of little parts. And fairly simple instructions on how to assemble everything. Shouldn't be too difficult. Looks like it'll be a lot of fun. Ooh, look at that. We got 4 sheets of these spooled up parts. Looks like we got tempographed parts. So it doesn't look like there's going to be any stickering. Probably not too much in the way of having to paint stuff. And we got some black. 2 things of black ones and a dark gray. That's a clinky paper. And then 2 more bigger sheets of black. Looks like And a small little bag with a bunch of black, gray, and a red one. Apologies to anyone using headphones. And we got some little clear plastic piece. And another little piece. That looks pretty cool. Looks like it's going to be a little fun build. Thank you for watching this little sampler video. And like all model kits, I'll be pre-rinsing these off in warm soapy water, get off any oily factory residues so that all the glue and any added paint that I may do won't cause an issue. And that's the end of this video. And hopefully someday, hopefully this year sometime, I'll have the part 2 conclusion of this little video. Thank you for watching. And thank you for watching. This has been a Quentin-Rom video production. Be nice to your toys.